Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a precise niche that has buyers, not just viewers. Validate with hashtag volume and competitor engagement. Once you have a niche, convert to a TikTok creator or business account and secure it with email, phone, and two-factor authentication. Next, sign up for 2 to 3 affiliate programs that offer clear cookie windows and trustworthy payouts, so your first campaigns are measurable and revenue-ready. Make a simple content test plan to post daily for 1 week to gather initial. Once you have baseline data, build a repeatable content funnel. Craft short, attention-grabbing hooks that promise a benefit, then demo the product and finish with an explicit CTA. Make sure your bio links use a link in bio tool and UTM parameters so every affiliate click is traceable. Send traffic to a lightweight landing page optimized for mobile. You should measure click-through rate, conversion rate, earnings per click, and return on ad spend weekly, and then iterate creative and targeting based on those numbers. To finish, scale what works. Double down on best-performing creatives and test paid Spark ads or in feed ads to amplify reach. Make sure you disclose affiliate relationships clearly and comply with FTC and TikTok guidelines to avoid penalties. If performance stalls or conversions drop, troubleshoot by verifying tracking links and UTM accuracy, testing landing page load speed and mobile UX, and refreshing creative angles. Often one of those fixes restores conversion velocity. Keep iterating until ROI stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.